For the stylish chef on the go, the Chef Sac knife messenger bag is something to behold. It's crafted for Culinary Mavericks with a superb sense of taste and style. Designed with practical use in mind, this reliable knife carrier is made with reinforced double stitching and heavy-duty zippers to last through those years of kitchen wear and tear. Our knife bag is abrasion-resistant, water-resistant, and heavy-duty. It does a great job of keeping your culinary arsenal safe and secure. Keeping size in mind for easy carry without the bulk, this chef knife backpack measures 17.5 inches tall and 14 inches wide. You won't have to worry about leaving your favorite knives at home anymore. We specially tailored this bag to feature extra slots for your knives, utensils, honing rods, pens, plus we added that zippered pouch for extra tools. It also comes with a large compartment that could fit your tablet, notebooks, spices, cutting board, electronics, business cards, and more. You can now bring all your kitchen core essentials to work in just one bag. This messenger bag is perfect for cooks and chefs who want to pack light, but also want to bring their most needed money-making tools to their cooking gigs. Available in multiple colors, our Chef Sac knife messenger bag is a kitchen favorite for both professionals and students.